Everyone thinks the best-selling magnetic wireless car charger is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, LISEN MagSafe Car Charger. First up is the LISEN 15W MagSafe Car Mount Charger. This charger caught my eye with its sleek design and a price tag of just $15.27, making it a great budget-friendly option. If you want a reliable charger that keeps your phone powered during every drive, this is worth a serious look. What really sets the LISEN apart is its 15W wireless charging capability. This means you can charge your phone quickly while navigating or making calls. It features 24 powerful magnets that hold your phone securely, even on bumpy roads. The dual mounting options mean you can attach it to your dashboard or vent, which is perfect if you're not sure what works best for your car. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of devices, from iPhones to Samsung and Pixel phones, so even if your family shares a car, everyone can use it without hassle. Now, some people have mentioned that the magnetic strength can be a bit too strong, making it tricky to get the phone off the mount quickly. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who values stability over speed, this won't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable charger that offers decent performance without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you are looking for something more premium with additional features, but for the price, it's a solid choice. Now, if the magnetic strength of the LISEN bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, ANDERY MagSafe Mount Charger. Next up is the ANDERY MagSafe Car Mount Charger, priced at $32.99. What caught my attention here is the strong suction and magnetic force, which is impressive. If you want something that holds your phone securely while driving, this is definitely worth considering. It features advanced vacuum suction technology that holds up to 78 pounds of weight, meaning it stays put even on the bumpiest of roads. The 360 degrees rotation and dual-axis adjustments make it super convenient to switch between portrait and landscape modes. That's critical when you need to check directions or take calls safely while driving. Some users have found that the suction cup requires a clean surface for the best hold. Here's the thing though, as long as you install it correctly on a smooth surface, it works wonders, and that's a small price to pay for this level of stability. This is perfect for you if you often drive on rough roads and need a reliable mount. Skip this one if you're looking for a cheaper option, but it's a great investment if you want something that lasts. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who don't want to mess with complicated setups. Product number 3, ILOYU 15W Magnet Charger. The ILOYU 15W MagSafe Car Mount Charger is up next, priced at a very reasonable $19.98. This one caught my eye for its dual fixation design that promises super strong stability. If you need something that won't budge, this is worth a look. It features a vacuum suction cup with a nano-adhesive base that provides excellent grip, and it can hold your phone securely even in extreme temperatures. Plus, its 360 degrees rotatable design makes it easy to switch between horizontal and vertical viewing, which is perfect for navigation. However, a few users reported that the adhesive base could leave residue on some surfaces. This is perfect for you if you want something easy to install and remove. Skip this one if you're looking for a more permanent fixture, but for flexibility and ease of use, you can't go wrong here. Now, if the potential residue issue worried you, the next product has a more straightforward design that might suit your needs better. Product number 4, ESR MagSafe Car Mount Charger. The ESR MagSafe Car Mount Charger comes in next at $19.99. I was drawn to its powerful magnets and the promise of secure charging. If you're after a reliable charger that won't let you down, this one's worth checking out. With its intelligent heat management, this charger can keep up with the official MagSafe speeds, making it super effective for quick charges. It has a strong magnetic lock that ensures your phone stays in place, even on bumpy roads. This model is also designed for easy navigation, allowing you to switch between portrait and landscape mode effortlessly, which is vital for anyone who needs to follow GPS directions. On the downside, it only works with MagSafe compatible phones, which can be limiting. But here's the thing, if you're already in the Apple ecosystem, this won't be an issue and the benefits far outweigh the limitations. This is perfect for you if you own an iPhone and want a charger that works seamlessly with your device. Skip this one if you have a different phone brand, but for MagSafe users, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something even more unique, wait until you hear about the final product on our list. Product number 5, fShio's Magnetic Car Mount Charger. Last but not least, we have the fShio's Magnetic Car Mount Charger priced at just $12.31. I was surprised by the value packed into this one. If you want a budget-friendly option that still offers solid features, this is definitely one to consider. The soft blue LED light helps guide your phone placement at night, which is a nice touch. It's also designed to keep your car tidy by managing cords efficiently. However, the overall build quality feels a bit less premium compared to others on the list. Here's the thing though, for those who prioritize budget over aesthetics, this won't matter, especially since it offers good functionality. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable solution with extra features. Skip this one if you're after a high-end feel, but for the price, it delivers quite a bit. So that wraps up our list of the top 5 magnetic wireless chargers for your car. Each option has something unique to offer, so it really comes down to your specific needs and budget. To sum it up, the LISEN offers affordability, ANDERY boasts suction power, ILOUIU provides great stability, ESR shines with its magnetic strength, and fShio's gives you budget-friendly versatility. Depending on what you prioritize, there's definitely a solid option here for everyone. Happy charging!